Electrosurgical unit. It is electrosurgical unit. Let us know about it. Electrosurgical unit is used to cut, coagulate, dissect, fulgurate, albulate, and shrink tissue. In this, we use high frequency of 100 kHz to 5 MHz and alternating current of 200 to 10,000 volts is passed to the tissue to produce the heat so that we can cut, coagulate, shrink, or ablate the tissue. In electrosurgical unit, we have generator, a handpiece with one or more electrodes. The device is controlled using a switch on the handpiece or foot switch. Bipolar electrosurgery. We can observe here we have two cases. Bipolar, which is a single foot step. We have one more case, bipolar, where we can have this forceps, which is having two ends. Well, know more about this. In this bipolar electrosurgery, we have the active electrode and return electrode functions are performed at the site of surgery. The two tips of the forceps perform the active and the return electrode functions only the tissue grasp in between this acts as an electrical circuit. Because of the return function is performed by one tip of the forceps and no patient return electrode is needed. In this, we use wet film. About monopolar electrosurgery. We can use this both cut and coagulate, and this we can use in monopolar, and this we have two buttons, one cut and coagulate, or else cut, coagulate by the foot switch or hand switch. We'll learn more about monopolar electrosurgery. The active electrode is placed at the surgical site where we do that surgery. The patient return electrode, also known as a dispersal pad, is placed somewhere else on the patient's body. The current passes through the patient as it completes the circuit from the active electrode, the patient return electrode. The function of the patient return electrode is to remove current from the patient's safety. A return electrode burn will occur if the heat produced. Over time, it is not safely dissipated by the size of the conductor of the patient return electrode. Here we are using one electrode or two forceps, like two electrodes or foot switches. By using these things, we'll do cutter, coagulate, or like many types. First thing is a single electrode. You can observe, cut, coagulate here. See. Sparks, you can find sparks here. Those indicates cutting. Okay. Now we are coagulating this. I am using this button to coagulate. The coagulate is done. The same things we'll do by foot switch. We'll use this electrode, but by not using this button, by foot switch. See, you can clearly observe we have cut this. Now we'll coagulate this by foot switch. Now this is a single electrode there by this. Now we'll use two like forceps. We'll use here, this is kind of a bipolar. Like this.